Hey, dog, it's straight there, and I didn't have to so. Hey vlog, it's me, Smackdown, and I don't really know if I like these lips. My fortune cookie, my sister got that one, so I couldn't put that one on. But today I'm gonna be installing my ring light I bought from Walmart, and it's supposed to be like a lit review with it, I guess. So that's what we gonna do. Okay, so I ain't gonna take it all the way out because I like the loose stuff. So I'm not gonna take it all the way out. Hope this go like this. So I didn't even read the instructions. You know, black people never like to read the instructions. I think I had so many of them, I could just put them together. I was born and raised. I done had like 3 of these, so I know how it goes. Just the It's up there. So what I'm gonna do with this phone, I don't know, but we gonna use them. So now I'm plugging in. This is easy. This is like 5 minutes. It takes 5 minutes. If you get this from Walmart, quick, easy setup. You don't even have to order. I went in the store and got it. So you go in the store and get you $160. And it takes 5 minutes to set up. Now, do it break even or do it last long? I don't know. But this is what comes up in the back. It got a charger holder. I mean, it got a place where you can charge your phone, and it got a place for your charger camera. Now let's see if it works. Okay. It's pink. Is the light moving? Oh, the light is moving. Okay, I don't know. I don't know how to control lights, but that's cute.
Take me back to Georgia, back to Atlanta. Money out present turn past. I'm a fly Priscilla, I'll just prepare.
You need batteries. Okay. Something I didn't know. You need batteries and remote, so. Oh, but this right here. I didn't know it had buttons up here. But I'm gonna see if I can find some batteries because I'm gonna want to use them. So,
Smack you round a bit, then step on.
okay, so y'all, I did find no batteries.
I'm not doing too much.
Press these buttons up here.
Strange new addictions,
Okay.
I'm on the road. Change my opinion, change some of my flows, change my approach. Up in these homes and when
Ooh, I like this. This is turquoise and blue. I don't know if y'all can see it or not. Let me see if y'all can see it better. Turquoise and blue.
I'm just a man. Take that
Oh,
pussy,
this
drop
one is
it
cute.
like that. I love it when you move like that.
There's 3 colors on this one.
Get back, get back, get back.
Then it go to 4 colors. Okay, is that 4 or 5? I don't know. My nails. Okay. Yeah, oh, then it's just regular colors. One solid color. But we really bought this for the white, so let's see what the white is. Okay. But is it bright? Let me put y'all on the ring light and see. This is most definitely better lighting because I only have one window in here. So this, it works, it helps. But do it go brighter? I don't think it get no brighter than this. Oh, it do, actually. Okay, well, I just got to learn how to work it out. Y'all play with it like I'm finna play with it. And I think it's worth it. At least $50 because my last ring light, I paid like $80. But it was way bigger than this one. But if you're on a budget, go to Walmart, get your ring light, $50. And make sure you buy batteries. Let me see. Let me find the paper so I can tell y'all what kind of batteries to get. These take 2 AAA batteries. If you see right here at the bottom. Right here. And they say do not mix old and new batteries together, which black people do anyways. Because I know I used to. And it tell you, if you don't know how to hook it up from this video, read the directions. It's easy, it's simple. And if you had a ring light before, even more easier, because put it together. But my review on this so far, since it's from Walmart and it's $50, which I feel like it's still, I don't know, it do a lot. So I think that's a 10 out of 10, truly. Because it's from Walmart, like I said, and $50, but it do so much. Like a normal ring light. Y'all will be getting a lot of videos from this ring light. This is going to be where the light coming from, just in case y'all want to know. But to end this video off, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, share it. Go test out this ring light if you don't have one. I was about to go, but I just learned a quick incident from this. Make sure it's stable, because this thing just fell apart on me. So with a ring light and the, what is called, the tripod stick connect, make sure that is very tight. And then the phone holder, make sure you tighten the little knob up. Hold on. At the back, make sure you tighten this up all the way, because your phone will swing every way. Like mine just went in the whole circle. So make sure you do all that, so you won't break your ring light and your phone won't go every way while you're trying to record. Okay, I had to come back again because when you plug this up, it makes a little noise. Like, I thought I was tripping, but it makes noise. And when I unplugged it, it didn't make the noise no more. I don't know if y'all can hear it or not, but I'm finna unplug it. And then it stopped. So it's kind of giving me a headache, but I thought it was coming from outside. But it making a little noise, and I don't like that. I don't know if I'm going to use this. Actually, this noise just gave me a headache. And I don't see nothing about no noise on this remote or in this paper, so maybe. So that just knocked my rate down to a 6 because of the noise. I never had a ring light that make noise when you plug it up. It's just making a noise that I wouldn't want to listen to while trying to record. Or it might be something y'all can hear and y'all might not want to listen to while I'm recording. So I would say a 6 out of 10 now. It's still worth the light, but the noise, I don't know. I don't know if I'm finna deal with that or not. Or I'm just gonna buy me a new one and turn this one back in. Okay, so yeah, I'm doing this video fast, but I'm back again because I figured it out. As the brightness is up, that's how louder it gets. When you turn the brightness down, it gets lower. And if it's so low, the brightness so low, you don't hear it no more. Or a little bit, because I still kind of hear it, but when I turn it back up, yeah, so that's what it is. So I don't know. You're gonna hear it if you got your brightness all the way up. If you don't, you just turn it down, it won't be as loud.